Tiva was saved by Second Chance Animal Rescue Society. The world has not been kind to puppies lately. About a month ago, Tiva, as you can see, she is having trouble walking. Her veterinarian team suspects she was run over on her tail. The tail got pulled, causing swelling on the spine, which can cause temporary paralysis, and usually with time will get her once that swelling goes down. She has been at the vet almost a week and has been improving, so we will continue to give her the care she needs to recover in a foster home. She interestingly enough doesn't bend her back knees, so the foster dad is doing neuromovement therapy, which is adorable. And the foster home has yoga mats all over the house. And today, she's doing awesome walking and even sometimes running. And is slowly starting to sit like a normal dog, which is adorable and awesome because it means she's starting to bend both knees. She is not yet available for adoption at this time, but keep an eye on the Facebook and link in description. Please contact Second Chance Animal Rescue Society if you can.